Writing Prompt Wednesday. Let's jump into it. Write a story in the form of a diary entry written by an explorer as they make their way through what they thought was an untouched location. Now, this is a really fun one because you can use your imagination on pretty much anything. Again, they thought it was an untouched location, so clearly there are going to be people there. Maybe it's kind of like Skull Island from King Kong, where they thought nobody lived there, maybe, and they show up and there's people already there. Or it could be one where it's already been discovered and they get around to the other side of the island, and guess what? People are there. So let your mind take flight. Don't stop, and remember, when you're doing the writing prompt, write without stopping. It's the best way to utilize it.